Okay, you guys ready? Ready to paddle.
We ready? Watch on. Yeah, watch on.
Okay, go forward one time. Nice. All right, and all forward, don't stop. We're going, Miles, we're going. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Nice, keep it up. Don't stop, don't stop. 2 more, 1, 2, good. Nice. All right, at that big tree, that piece of foliage, I'm gonna call lean in, all right? There's some choppy shit right there. Go forward one time. Forward one more. One more. And then lean in. Forward 2 times. One more. One more. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. 2 more. 1. Stop. 2 more. Go. All right, get ready for a right side back. 2 more. Good. 4-2. Lean in. Woo. All right, forward paddle, forward paddle. Whoa. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Good, 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 good. Good, everyone lean in. Good, right side back. Forward paddle, forward paddle. Keep it up, keep going forward. Keep going forward. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. All right, and stop, good.
Woo! He's watching that paddle. Yeah. Are you following my paddle?
Back 1, back 1. Back 1 more. There we go, good.
Yeah, breath's fun, huh? The breath's crazy.
Nice.
Woo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool, all of us made through. All right, that's the wall. Fuck yeah.
That was fun.
Let's go forward 2 times. Good. Now right side back. Nice. Stop. Good. All right, coming up is tombstone.
Tombstone?
Jerry, wrap your hand around your T-grip. There you go. This one, kind of a gnarly swim if you fall out in the top. So if you fall out, if you can't get back to the boat, you're gonna want to swim left, okay? Okay? There's something on the called the coffin rock on the right side. I'll point it out when we go past it. It's this big overflowing waterfall right now that would suck to swim over. But on this one, there's like a thin gap, there's huge holes on either side, and we got to really try to run the one smooth tongue that's in this rapid. Forward paddle 2 times. Good. 1 more. Good. Forward 2. Lean in. Good. Back up. Forward 2. Good. Left side back. Stop. Forward 2. Good. Good. Forward 2 more. Good. Lean in. Woo. Forward 2. Forward 1. Nice work. Woo. Nice. All right, now we're at a point, we're not past the coffin rock yet, but you're not gonna fall out before we get to the coffin rock. So yeah, now if you fall out, just use your best judgment. Woo! Woo!
Feels great. Feels good.
Forward paddle 1 time. Yeah, baby. Forward paddle 2 times. 2 more. 2 more. Good. 2 more. Good. Right side back. Forward paddle 2 times. Keep going. Stop. Forward 2. Forward 2. Keep going forward. Paddle. Stop. Stop.
Oh,
That's the tombstone. Forward 2. Forward 2. We're getting the eddy behind there. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Don't you stop. Don't you stop. Nice, nice, nice.
Let's go.
Keep going forward, keep going forward. Good. Stop.
Get out of your way.
Thanks, dude. Right, and we're just catching this nice little safety hole here in case they got swimmers, and it doesn't look like they do. So let's keep rocking, baby. 4 pound, 3 times, 4-3. Nice. Four pound, 3 times. Nice job, everyone. That's tombstone. Woo! Let's go charge your head. Forward paddle. Keep charging. Don't stop. Yup. Yup. Keep it up. Keep it up. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Nice work. 4 pound, 3 more. Good. 2 more. Nice. Fuck yeah. We in first again. Alright, now we're coming into a class 3 rapid called Buzzard's Perch. 4-2. Good. Forward 1. 1 more. Lean in. Nice. 4-3. Good. 4-2. 2 more. 1 more, then lean in. Yeah, baby. Woo! Sick. Just putting the boat sideways. Putting the boat sideways usually slows it down a bit. I'm just getting the boats behind us and can't catch up. Too damn fast. Woohoo! Oh shit, I got wet. I wasn't trying to do that. 4 pound, 1 time. All right. All right, so this next one is tequila shoot, okay? First of all, I might put you guys' heads into some trees, and for that I want you to duck down and let those trees go over the top of your helmet, all right? 4 pound, 2 times. And secondly, I'm gonna call it get down in here. So I want you guys to be ready for that, all right? So you guys remember the get down? That's ass to the floor? Yep. Nice. Here we go. So right in front of us, that's Pepsi Challenge, another class 4. And tequila shoot is over here. 4 pound, 1 time. Good. 1 more. 1 more. Good. Forward 1. Forward 2. Good. Forward pound, 2 times. Forward 2 more. Forward 1. Nice. Forward 1. Good. Forward 2. Forward 1. Forward 1. Good. Good. All right, left side back, and then everyone get down, get down. Yeah, woo! Stay down, stay down, stay down. One more. All right, back up, back up. Forward paddle, forward paddle. Keep going forward. 4-2, 4-2. 4-2, 4-2. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. Good, good, good. Ah, it's a fun rapid. You all right? Nice.
Oh man.
All right, 4 pal, 3 times. Nice. Woo. Mitch, you want a second? Take her.
There we go.
Cool. Well, that was a class 4.
All right.
That was fun.
We could do 5.
Yeah, let's go.
No, this would actually be a sick boat class 5 rapid.
Yeah.
Let's go forward 2. Does anyone want to ride the bull through this next rapid called Enchanted Forest?
Yeah. What? Yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Right
Give me
now?
your paddle, yeah. Give me that paddle.
This is what is this called?
Enchanted Forest. 4 pal, 2 times. 2 more. Ah! Stop. Forward 1. 1 more. Nice. All right. All right, paddle. In the trough. In the trough. And stop. Nice. 4 pal, 1 time. All right. Enchanted Forest is big, so it's good. 4 pal, 1 time. 1 more. Oh my God. Get back up. Get back up. Get back up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Forward paddle. Stop. Forward 1 time. Whoa. Whoa.
No way. There's no way.
4 pal, 2 times. Woo.
That was hard.
Yeah, you guys were saying like, lean back, and I was like, you shouldn't lean back, you're gonna fall in.
I lean back.
I was getting come on.
Back. It's so far back.
Yeah, he's like, oh. He was like taking the red first.
You were up in the air.
You're ready for Jennifer. Yeah. That's hard.
Nice. All right, now our next rapid is Powerhouse. So we're back where we put in.
Powerhouse!
Let's go forward 3. Nice. Does anyone want to ride the bull through Powerhouse?
DJ?
You get absolutely smoked.
Mark?
DJ, you should do it. DJ,
Me?
you should do it. All right, not yet, not yet. I'll tell you when.
He's gonna knock both of us out.
I know. Keep pushing
No, the boat's gonna be like.
Birthday?
No.
No?
Guys, they're just like making his like guest interaction shitty. That's awesome. Train to the heart.
Get on the bowl, DJ.
Let's go forward one time. Forward one. One more. Nice. Forward two. One more and then lean in. Forward two. Two more. One more. One more. All right, now lean in. All right, forward paddle. Crank, crank, crank. Keep it up, keep it up. All right, and stop. All right, grab me your paddle and hop up on the bull. All right. Yeah.
Let's go, big boy! Let's go!
Yeah!
Wait,
Yeah! Oh! Sit up more, sit up more.
Sit up.
Yeah, oh yeah, there you go. Oh fuck yeah.
That's right.
All right, forward bow one time.
Hold on, DJ.
Get your ass up farther.
Get up there. Put it in your coop.
Forward bow one time. Nice. Forward two. Forward one. Forward two.
Go, DJ!
Oh, shit. Forward two. Two more. Whoa. Oh, nice. Forward two. Two more. Nice. Forward one. Forward two. Nice. Yeah. Forward one. Forward two. I'm a smoking. Forward two. Two more. Forward three. Two more. Get back up. Get back up. We got one more hit. Forward three. Forward three. Forward two. Two more. Oh, yeah. One more. Let's go. Yeah. Look.
Oh, man.
Wow, that was so rad. Colton, go ahead in front of me. I'll catch the eddy. Go ahead in front of me. I'll catch the eddy. Woo! Damn, that was a so.
You're telling me to go in first, right?
I'm telling you to go in front of me and I'll catch the eddy. Yeah.
4, 3.
That was awesome. You guys feeling good? Nice. Yeah, you guys should come back this summer. That's a fun boat. That's a super fun boat. Oh.
Alright, Mark, you're next.
Let's go forward 2.
Fair enough, fair enough.
2 more. Well, that's our last rapid. Our takeout's right there. We're gonna chill in the slack water here.
Okay.
Just because it's too small for more than like 3 boats at a time. Let's go forward twice. Nice. Nice. Cool. Well, good work, guys. That was awesome.
Fuck yeah.